yabo. So 1.1.1. So it's x minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is solve for x equation. So basically into ebayifunayo kuba yiphi number okanye numbers ezayenza le equation ibe ngu-0 ibe ngu-equal to 0 yabo. So by looking here sine
kenza bayenjonga i-chat mina bakukhona into ethethwayo.
no problem yabo.
Ndikuthembile noko. Awunotritsha yile question at least.
Marks unzima. Marks unzima. So the question, so it's easy. Zeziphi like numbers that can make the equation equal to 0. So by looking at this, 0, so x is either 0 because if we make this equal to 0, the whole equation will be 0. Then or x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. Because if we substitute our 3 here, so it's about 3 minus 3. So this is be equal to 0. So anything multiplied by 0 is always going to equal to 0. So basically our final answer is x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3. So that's your 2 marks.
So akho step
I don't feel like there's this step because it's 2 marks, and I think like 2 marks mostly it's for the 2 answers as well. So in
this ubungenofaka like le eza brackets ezi2 then to x equals to 0 and then any to x minus 3 equals to 0 then when is 3 ayengapha
okay
as an extra step.
So kuba sithi x squared because sithi lena multiply by this
ngabe ngasho kanjalo ikhona ukubona xa iz brackets ezi2 usually it is so x minus a x minus b equals to 0 then ibe ngu x minus a equals to 0 or x minus b equals to 0 then ikhuphe kanjalo. So kule case ibe ngu x kunye no x minus 3 equals to 0 then ke ngoku ibe ngu x equals loku but sensitsho uba like into x equals to 0 then ibe ngu x minus 3 equals to 0.
Basically when what we have done clear vese wathi okay manifake into brackets
ingaka lokho yoba wena usike nje like uyijonga even though ufaka into le
at least there's a reasoning ubona uba whatever you do you want to equate this to 0
yeah.
So which numbers can you substitute ubona play equation to make it equal to 0 but elihlobo uthetha ngalo leli
because if man kuba like
so x is x minus 3 is equal to 0. So when elihlobo uthetha ngalo is uba this x is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So ngayenza kanjalo.
Yes, then when
step ndiyenze to prove.
Yes, because ingxaki
mina ndiyenza ngokuyazi.
Yes, yeah, yabo ibe kanjalo wena wenza into yaziyo uba okay kulula kanjalo. So kanti ifumanise kuba abanye abantu bafuna eza steps
so
okay
uyazi njani uba uyazi njani uba
yeah.
Okay, so today we're going to be looking at November scala phansi.
No, I don't think nyenzeke uqale phansi ndifuna ibe raw kanje.
No, that's
yeah ndifuna ibe raw kanje.
Always mistake madoda sizenzayo.
Yeah, so even a mistake but ibe
so for abanye abantu bakwazi
na phela.
So in order to solve them, so sayipula into 2. So lo x is equal to 0 city or because remember when you're dealing with the solving for x usually it goes back to x can be plus a can be plus b is equal to 0. So what we usually do is x plus a is equal to 0 or x plus b is equal to 0 yabo. Then ke ngoku sizama usolva apha sizama usolva nalapha yabo. So nalapha ke ngoku we go to the same logic, if I would say. So lo x is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So then according to this solve is straightforward. If you substitute 0 up, is about equal to 0, which is true.
Yeah.
Then in this case, so to x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then so t plus 3, because we want to isolate to x, since we're solving for x, so x finna be isolated. But you know, remember, whatever we do, the left hand side here, to finna sends on your right as well. So plus add to 0 ngapha, finna set to 0 ngapha. It was 8 to 3.
Yeah, you uyabona uhle nyani ngoba waya ezantsi nyani like aba plus 3 no plus 3 ngapha because mina kule benza usike ndithi okay u3 uyamthatha umwelise ngapha ya.
No,
Kanti
but
wena, like,
yeah,
we
because
understand.
like the logic at times.
Yeah, I understand.
So this will cancel out, so it's gonna be x, then kwela cala kuzawushiyeka u3. So that means it's x is equal to 0 or x weight is equal to 3. So that's the solution. So for your 2 marks. So at least like it's long, yeah, well since they are long, but so I understand like just like the basics.
Yeah,
One of solving like as questions.
Ephepheni akho need umuntu adawe
Ade, yeah,
apha but
yeah.
since lapha kuzocaciswa kuso.
As on a marks, the 2 marks is for x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3.
Yeah.
At the end of the day. Yeah, so you can come like, do you want to take it long or what? So, but this is mostly it.
So out of 150 at least 2 marks from
2 marks for man, 20%, from 0.2 or something. I'm 1%. It's not even 1%. 1%, 1.5. Umfumen actually. Was got 150, 1% go 10% go 15.
Okay.
So 1% go 1.5. So you got 1% there. So no got fun.
Yeah.
Then we can look at 2 as well, the second one, which is 1.1.2.
How many marks on 4 marks?
4 marks. Okay,
Yeah.
so so it's 2x squared plus 1 is equal to 4x. So in order that I would suggest like people to look out for, if you don't like it to correct to the 2 decimal places, that means most times it's like a quadratic equation. Since
I
there's
get it.
decimal,
Yeah.
so as soon as buba to the correct 2 decimal places, or 3 or 4, especially to solve for x, it means it's quadratic equation. So according to 7 binomials, it's mostly quadratic equation. So in this case, this is the equation they equate to 0, so that you can substitute and apply the quadratic equation.
Formula.
Yeah. So the 2x squared plus 1 minus 4x is equal to 0. So I just took 4x, so we go to the so 2x minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. So quadratic equation it in.
Okay.
Formula. Yeah, quadratic formula actually.
La x equals to plus minus bengu root squared. Yeah, bengu x equals to plus minus, ne? Then bengu la root. Then bengu b squared. Now bengu minus 4ac. Can't be bad. Equals to. Akubikho nto apha ayingo b plus minus okanye kuba empty apha okanye ngu-a andikho sure but ikhona plus minus root b squared minus 4ac mos.
Yeah.
All over
2a.
Akubikho nto apha. Alright. Sakhumbuleka no.
Akubikho, I think so though.
Awukho sure na?
No, but I don't remember there's something there in front because it's either you get like a plus or minus with that
Yeah.
one.
Okay.
I don't
Then
remember being kubakho constant kanye variable one in front. I'm not sure. I highly doubt one. You can check about.
okay, ndizayikucheckela. Then le equation yona kule form of B, C no A khayibhali.
Yeah, ndizayenza ubona yabo. But ndifuna nje uconfirm, it's been a while isagqiba kudala isikolo. So ngoku ubona yabo.
Ufake ijonge apha ku-Google.
So xa sifumene u-2 to the power x minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. So sifuna u-identifya u-a wethu, sifuna u-identifya u-b, sifuna u-identifya u-c. Yabo. So a is the first term, so a coefficient in front of x squared wethu, which is uzaba ngo-2, a. Then b coefficient bone ngayibeka ziba ndizayisolate into in 3 terms. So this is the first, this is the second one, this is the third one. So 2x squared is the first term, minus 4x is the second one, plus
Minus
1.
B ukhona.
Oh, minus b.
Yeah, minus B plus minus squared.
Yeah, but then plus 1 is the third one. So b is about minus 4. Asibabeko x, yabo sifuna nje coefficient numbers in front of or x bethu. Yeah. Then UC is always a constant, so plus 1 turns out to 1.
Unoyibhala as in A squared minus BX plus C, so that like umuntu azoyazi, then ayazi uba njengoba nje
Okay. So A
x squared.
x squared plus bx plus c
Yeah, then
is
you
equal
know,
to 0. So le standard soba uzofika kwezinga.
Yeah.
So whatever you get, so a plus b plus c.
Yeah. Because ayinceda nyani loo nto leyo.
So then after equation with quadratic formula, since the reason why I say as about quadratic formula, I'm going to repeat again, is because kuthiwe correct to 2 decimal places. So that means there's a quadratic formula esofuna sisebenzise kuba asina numbers, asina integers, usually ba zi-numbers ezine decimal places. So that's why kuthiwa 2 decimal places. So equation formula, it states x is equal to minus b bengu plus minus bengu square root ka b squared minus 4ac yonke le nto ithi divide ngo-2a.
Yeah. So libele nyana because bendibambe le part ngapho la minus b but ibikhona i-feeling yoba no mana ikhona.
So substitute ke ngoku our abc into the formula. So x is equal to minus 4 plus minus base square root b squared minus 4 minus u4 a wethu ngo-2 c wethu ngo-1, then yonke le nto underscore. So all of this sidivide ngo-2 a wethu ngo-2.
Yeah.
Then if you go further,
awudinga icalculator, abanye abantu bangayiplaka calculator and straight, but ungayisimplifya le kwi-root.
so just to create more space, so come up with phezulu one so that I can move.
Ungayibhala then usimplifya le kwi-root.
Yeah. So x is equal to, so lena minus minus, so it's always going to be positive. So it's about positive 4, bengu plus minus, then be root. So root 4 anything 4 squared was 16. So 4 multiplied by 4, since it's minus, but anything we
minus 4
square,
times minus 4.
yeah, anything we square will always be positive. So no 16 up. So be minus 4ac, so 4 multiplied by 2, which is 8, multiplied by 1, which is 8. So minus 8. Then ezansi, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Then you can go further. 34 plus minus square root. So square root 16 minus 8, 8, then divide by 4. So x wethu is equal to 4 plus square root is 8 over 4, or x is equal to 4 minus square root is 8 divided by 4. So impendulo yakho kwezi zimbini. Then if you receive x cannot be negative. Because bakhona like answer ngabikho right, which means figure like which is not equal to something. If you still remember. At times,
equation.
Yeah, kuba like it, but I'm born in that. So yeah, answers zakho nazi. Zombili. So plug and play ubona kwi calculator pos kusetyenziswa yona. So plug and play, you'll get to x is equal to something, low number, but low number, let's say ngu-4 izaba ngu-4,12, then funeka siyeke kwi-second decimal places singayihoyi enye nenye ubona bo. So we just want the 2.
Was round off.
But to round off no where so suppose.
Yeah.
Well, so then that's it for 1.1.2. So that's 6 marks already.
In the bag.
Yeah, well. So kunnice xa uyazi uba when do you use the quadratic formula, when do you use i-binomials ubone yabo uzama la ku ujonga i-factors ubone uba zeziphi and all that yabo. So at least umntu will understand that better yabo.
Nangu master uthakabonakala.
Then
I think ungaya nakula into le i-quadratic le uyithandayo.
Which one?
I-question i-quadratic. Not i-quadratic man, it's simultaneous.
Yeah. So we can go because this one I feel like now like it's similar to bona quantity science. Then we can move to a simultaneous equation because most yabantu they struggle kakhulu with the simultaneous equations. So you'll have a look. Tricky. Kuthini master?
Uthi udukile mas.
Yeah. Umjida sama sifundisa abantu like i-basics niyaduka. So 1.2.
At least makabukele.
Ewe. So 1.2 uthi solve for x and y. Bone simultaneously.
Nangu uphondi uthi thanks guys.
So enkosi. Yabo. So then kubekho so it is solve for x and y simultaneously. So ngizayibhala equation ethi 2x plus y is equal to 3.
Imali ubungenokwazi ukuhlula isiphakathini kwangoku intondoni.
Yeah, ngiqale ndibhale. So ibengu y squared plus x y is equal to 2. So I can divide just this in half.
Yeah,
because the simultaneous equation usually by bande.
How many marks gone?
It's 5 marks. So simultaneous equation, what we're looking for was to solve for x and y. So because it's about solve x and y, funeka sisebenzise ezi equations zombini ubone to solve for x and y simultaneously. So funeka asikwazi uintroduce like enye ubone yabo other than into lapha. So what I was taught in school into yoba since you mostly like unikwa like 2 equations ubone most time. So the first equation they are equation 1. So just indicate this is 1, this is equation 2. Then I have to look ke ngokuba yeyiphi kwezi equations imbini yeyiphi lula endizawukwazi uisolate kuyo u-x okanye isolate kuyo naku-y yabo. So looking at this, the first one lena 2x plus y is equal to 3 is the easiest uba mandi-isolate u-y ubone as a subject of a formula yabo. Then ndiyenze equation 3. This is what I'm gonna do. So kule first equation, so ndenze equation yesithathu, so izawuba ngu-y is equal to u3, ndithatha lo 2x ndiyambuyelisa to over that side, so izawuba minus 2x. So this will be my equation 3 yabo. So then y subject of a formula, so y was taken from equation 1 yabo. So equation 3 was taken from equation 1. So now after ke ngoku ndifumene equation 3, ndiyakwazi ke ngoku uthatha equation 3 ndim-substitute kubani ku-equation 2. So whatever, if kukho y indaweni y ngoku andisafaki y, ndifaka u3 minus 2x. So let's go. So nantsi ke ngoku, so it's gonna be 3 minus 2x squared.
Thembile no.
Ube ngu-plus u-x asikabi nayo, so sawuthi x, then u-y ibe ngu-3 minus 2x, then ibe ngu-equal to, ibe is equal to 2. Then ke ngoku sizame ke ngoku i-breaker down, since sine-squared, so ingase zonke izinto zethu singabi na-square ubone yabo, siyenze nje ibe simple. So what I'm gonna do, so ndizawuthi 3 minus 2x, ndiphinde ndithi 3 minus 2x kuba like ibisquariwe almost before, then ndithi plus x 3 minus 2x is equal to 2. Then now ndizawuzama umultiply uthini, so that I can take out the brackets and yonke loo nto ubona. So u3 by 3 ngu-9, then u3 ndimultiply ngo-minus 2x izawuba ngu-minus 6x, then do the same thing, ngu-minus 2x multiply by 3 izawuba minus 6x, minus 2x multiply ngo-minus 2x will be positive 4x squared, then ndiphinde ndiqhubeka ndithi plus x multiplied by 3 izawuba ngu-3x, do x multiplied by minus 2x will be minus 2x squared, yonke le nto is equal to u2. Then now the add like terms, so kukho minus 2x squared, kukho plus 4x. So into endizayenza ke ngoku ndiyazidibanisa, so that will equate to 2x squared, because ziyafana uba ngu-4 minus 2, so it's going to be 2x squared, then ndiye ke ngoko x bem, so minus 6x plus minus 6x, which is minus 12, plus 3x, which is minus 9x. Then ndibe nantso ke ngoku i-constant, but ke ngoku khandiyithathe le. Yeah, yabo. So ndizabe ndisithi plus 9 is equal to 2. Then ke ngoku ndiwelise u2 ke ngoku to this side, so izawuba ngu-2x squared minus 9x plus 9 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then that will be 2x squared minus 9x plus 7 is equal to 0. So at least ke ngoku because masizama usolve for u-x apha ke ngoku yabo, because u-y wethu, remember u-y wethu nanku is equal to x, ubone equal to 3 minus 2x. So in order to get uba u-y ngubani u-x, so funeka sisebenzisa ezi equations zethu yabo. So we here kwesi step. So what do we do kwesi step? Let me just take this.
Quadratic. Ungayifaka i-quadratic nalapho.
Yeah, ungayifaka i-quadratic, but at times funeka uqale kwi-binomials and check uba awunokwazi usolve like simple and all that ubone before so ndizayibhala apha ibe ngu-2x
Yo, I saw which ungayicimanga.
i-equation zam.
So that after ugqibile uzothi okay besiqala apha sathi
Problem. Yabo ngokanzi uzobhala ii-equations yabo.
uzobhala
Ingxaki uzaba so equations ebendinazo ngu-2x plus y is equal to 3. So that's my okay, that's my equation 1. Then y squared plus xy is equal to 2. So that's my second equation. Then you start being y is equal to 3 minus 2x, being equation 3. So that's what we had. So now, in order to solve the be equal to 0, so mna zakwenza ii-binomials. So how I was taught is ndijonga constant yam ndibuze uba zeziphi numbers that multiply to low constant. If let's say we have 6 way, what can you multiply together ubone to kuba mazenze u-6? So izawuba ngu-6 and 1 iyokuqala because 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. Eyesibini izawuba ngu-3 and 2 because u-3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. So you have ezo zinto ezimbini. But now we have 7. 7 is a prime number, so it's only 7 1. So into esinazo ngu-7 and 1 qha. Yeah. So now siyayazi uba suno-7 no-1, but now we need to decide because funeke yonke into esenzayo xa zizidibanisa because ngu-7 and 1, but ke ngoku xa sidibanisa u-7 1 uzawuba ngu-8, but i-middle term yethu ngu-9 yabo. But ke ngoku sine-constant esefront ku-2x, so that means if simultiplya lapho ngo-1 izawuba ngu-2, then siyakwazi udibanisa with the 7 bona be equal to 9. Let me just show you something. So u-2x uzawuba lapha, omnye u-x uzawuba kule ndawo yabo. So if simultiplya u-7 mandithi masibeke kanje yabo. So if we multiply this izawuba ngu-14 mandithi minus, so izawuba ngu-14x. Then if we multiply lena izawuba ngu-minus 1x. So then le term ayizukhupha u-minus 9 izawukhupha u-minus 15x yabo. So meaning uba 7 wethu cannot be over this side, so 7 has to be here, 1 abe kweli cala. Now let's do the same thing. So if siyamultiply izawuba minus 2x. If we multiply ezi-2 izawuba minus 7x. Lena will equate to 9x, which is what we want esiphakathini yabo. So ke ngoku sifigurishe out uba ii-binomials zethu nazi bona yabo. So now xa siyenza, if you can do it bona kuba masibuyele back to the original equation, we can just do this. Izawuba ngu-2x squared because multiply lena nalena. Xa multiply nalena nale izawuba minus 2x. Xa multiply ezi izawuba minus 7x. Xa multiply ezi izawuba ngu-plus 7. So this will be 2x squared minus 9x plus 7. So this is the same as that. Therefore, is equal to 0. So that means we got what we wanted. So now we need to solve for x masekugqibeleni yabo. So that means it's going to be 2x minus 7 is equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So xa sisolva le izawuba ngu-2x is equal to 7 because u-7 siyambuyelisa kwelaa cala, or u-x ngapha is equal to 1 because u-1 simbuyisile. So apha u-x is either ngu-7 over 2 or u-x wethu ngu-1 yabo. So siba kufumana u-x bethu bona yabo by solving. So siyazi uba u-x wethu ngu-1 okanye u-x wethu ngu-7 over 2. So now asikagqibi ke ngoku sisasolve u-x we need u-y as well yabo. So now sawuthatha aba-x siyoba substitute kubani kwi-equation 3 wethu yabona. So we're going to take what we got ku-x bani and go and substitute ku-equation 3. So now uzawuqala ngo-x is equal to 1. So kuzenza ufumana u-y. So it's 3. Okay, it's just so it's y is equal to u3 minus 2. Then it's a substitute of 1 wethu. Then sifumana u-y is equal to, because u2 minus 2 multiplied by u1 is about ngu2. So it's 3 minus 2. Then u-y wethu is about ngu1 up. So xa substitute u1 u-y wethu ngu1. Now we go back again. So substitute u7.5. So sithi y is equal to u3 minus 2, sithi 7. Then when we solve this, is about equal to u3 minus, so these will cancel each other, pluses multiply. Then so shekela ngu7 qha. So y wethu is equal to minus 4. So now we know when we're substituting x, when we're substituting 7 over 2, siyayazi uba u-y wethu esizamfumana u-minus 4. So siyayazi uba i-answer zethu nasi. Then that's your 5 marks. So now soqokelele at least ngo-11 akufani u-10% umfumene yabo, sabukhupha umntu ku-code 1, you understand yabo, 10% umfumene umntu. So that's nice, yeah. So you know akho nto engako ubona, but it's all about the times u-understand uba like wenza ntoni na ubona yabo, zintoni ofuneka uzenzile. You always have 2 equations, you have to make equation yesithathu. So is funeka wenze equation yesithathu from the 2 equation. Then after wenze equation yesithathu yakho ube ngona ke ngoku uthatha le equation yakho yesithathu isubstitute to one of the equations ubona, and then uqhubekeke from there onwards. So ibilona nje incinci ubona yabo. That's it. Sengigqibela dala mfethu
uyile nje konto man baleke nobaleka mina because
no like
confuse because izawubande le
i-maths ifana, uzawuyazi but at times nantoni na like that uyaziyo kufuneka like
ubani
practice ubona, because in order to improve especially kwi-maths, physics, accounting ubona yabo, zizinto ofuneka constant like uzipracticile, because if asifani mhlawumbi ne-life science ne-geo neentoni webhala kufuneka ufunde ixesha lakhe elininzi ubona yabo. Zona funeka like uzipractice uzizawuhlala so that ukwazi uba xa udibene nento ethile uyayazi uba like usolva njani ubona, but yonke loo nto yenza through ubona practicing ubona. So without practice kunzima ukuba like ezi subject uba mawuzipase ncam ubona yabo, because of practice. So yeah,
ekuphumze apha.